Hindenburg Research is back, and guess who's the target this time? Adani Group and SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Buch. But this time, markets have reacted smartly. While Adani Group stocks are in red, there has not been a significant fall in the stocks after the report had come out, like it had happened last time. Adani stocks including Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Adani Power and others fell 5 to 6% in early trade and then slowly recovered by noon, trading up to 2% down, while Sensex was up 200 points and Nifty was trading comfortably about 24,400 points. As per reports, even the government has said that they wouldn't waste time in a report that is trying to destroy the markets. But what did the report actually say, and why is Hindenburg Research behind Adani Group? Let me explain. First, let's start with the recent allegations. Hindenburg Research in its recent report alleged SEBI chief Madhabi Puri Buch has stakes in offshore funds used by Adani Group. Now, why is this a big deal? On January 24 last year, Hindenburg Research released a report. They accused Adani Group of manipulating stock prices, improper business dealings, including offshore entities in tax havens like Mauritius, which the report said owned shares in Adani listed firms. However, the report said that it does not have any evidence to this claim except for some documents or emails saying that there might be evidence to support the claims. Even as Adani Group denied allegations saying that they were baseless, the stocks witnessed a bloodbath and Adani lost a significant amount of wealth, around $140 billion in market value.
Last year, the 24th January, we were subject to a massive attack by US short seller. The objective was not just to destabilize us, but also to politically defame India's governance practices.
Then in February, a PIL was filed in Supreme Court seeking direction to set up a committee under monitoring of a retired Supreme Court judge to investigate the allegations. In March, Supreme Court asked SEBI to probe within 2 months on the allegations of stock price manipulation by Adani Group. The top court also set up a panel to look into the protection of Indian investors after the Hindenburg Report was released. In May, the court appointed expert committee submitted its report, and the court granted SEBI time till August to submit a report on allegations of stock price manipulation. SEBI then completed 22 out of 24 investigations into Adani Group, and on 2, they were still awaiting from external agencies to respond. In January this year, Supreme Court granted 3 months to SEBI to complete the probe. In July, SEBI slapped a show cause notice on Hindenburg, accusing them of violating Indian regulations after it dragged Kotak Mahindra Bank into the controversy. Then on 10th August, Hindenburg Research's latest report comes out alleging Madhabi Puri Buch and her husband Dhaval Buch having stakes in those offshore funds that were used by Adani as per its report. So what did SEBI and Adani Group say after this? In a joint statement, Madhabi Puri Buch and her husband Dhaval Buch said that the claims are devoid of truth. The statement said that their life and finances are an open book and all disclosures have been furnished to SEBI over the years. In the statement, they also said that the fund investment they made, which is referred to into the report, was made in 2015 when both of them were private citizens. The decision to invest in the fund was because Anil Ahuja, CIO of the fund, is Dhaval Buch's childhood friend. They also said that they redeemed their investment in 2018 when Anil Ahuja left his position as the CIO. At no point in time the fund invested in any bond, equity or derivative of any Adani Group company, they said. Now, SEBI also came out with its statement saying that investors should remain calm and exercise due diligence. It said that 23 out of 24 investigations into Adani Group have been completed and over 300 documents 12,000 pages were examined by SEBI in the probe. SEBI also rejected the claims of favoritism in REIT regulations mentioned in the report. Adani Group released a statement rejecting the claims, saying that the allegations were manipulative selections of publicly available information to arrive at predetermined conclusions. It said, and I quote, that Adani Group has absolutely no commercial relationship with individuals or matters mentioned in this calculated, deliberate effort to malign our standing. Now, what is this Hindenburg research and how is it making money? Hindenburg Research is a small US-based investor activist firm founded in 2017 by Nathan Anderson. With the help of a few researchers, it uses financial forensic tools to find potential accounting irregularities and other corporate governance-related issues in high-profile companies like Nikola, Clover Health, Lawson Motors, and more. The business model is very simple. It shares the report with its clients in advance by taking short positions in targeted companies well before the report is public. As company shares fall, Hindenburg and clients gain. In Adani's case, Hindenburg admitted to making $4.1 million in gross revenue and said it would hardly break even considering high costs of running a 2-year global investigation. So what are market experts saying now? Vikas Khemani of Carnelian Asset Management said that the narrative that Hindenburg is trying to set this time is far from facts. He said that when last time things came out, there was a speculation and markets reacted badly. In this case, he says clearly the facts are being manipulated, trying to create a story, and the market participants cannot be fooled all the time. Experts are of the view that this time the impact will not be huge, and the detailed clarification from the SEBI chief clarifies everything. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.